Okay, today we're going to talk about Quizlet. Quizlet is one of the apps that I had the kids download when they first got their iPads. So I wanted to make sure that we knew what it was all about. It is a study guide app. So the kids can create sets with their vocabulary words. You can create them and put them out there for them to use as study guides. And they will stay with your account. So you only have to create it once. You can keep the same words if you use them every year. Just create your sets and they're ready to go. So you can create a new set by logging in and clicking right here where it says create a new study set. I created one to use as just a practice, so I'm going to click on that and open it. I'm going to edit it because this is the way yours will look once you start adding in your words. So I've got a couple of ed tech words and I'm going to just click on the plus sign and type in my new word, mobile learning. And if I didn't want to go and hunt for a definition, I could click right here on the little magnifying glass and choose one that matched my definition. So I'm going to go with the first one and it will put it in there for me. This little microphone, that's a paid version thing. You could add a voice recording, although the app itself will still read the definition that you put into them. And I can add a picture. So, yeah, this one is the one that most closely relates to what I'm thinking, mobile learning. So I'm going to say done. Normally, if you were just creating a new set, it would say create down here. So you would click create. And now you have your study guide. So here's what the kids can do. They can study the words or they can play games with the words, and either way they are practicing their vocabulary. You've got the standard flip cards where you can flip them over and see what's on the other side. Or right now I've got it on flow so that I can just go from one card to the next. And for my next word, I just click again. Flip classroom. Okay, so those are the study card or the flashcards. I can practice my words by just showing the picture and the definition, and I would have to type in the correct word. Okay. We can go that way. I can spell them in the system, the app will read it to me.
Mobile learning.
If spelling is an issue, you can go that route. And notice they're not in order.
Gamification.
Okay. I can take a test and practice. And over here, you'll notice it has question types. It can choose, it can mix and match which ones you want, how you show or what you show and what it needs. And of course, I've got 5 words, so it's giving me all 5, but I can choose, if I had 20 words, I can have it pick 10 and work that way. But it's got written questions. It shows me multiple choice. And it also does true and false. Okay. Scatter and race are 2 games that the kids can play with their words. So scatter, I'm trying to match them up and make them disappear. So I would have to match up and put it on top of the right word. Okay, mobile learning. Let's see what happens when I get it wrong. It just goes back to it, to the space. So I have to get it to the right word. Okay, and race is a race across the screen. So you have to identify what your word is and then type it in before it goes across the screen. Okay, and you get points for as many as you can get. So that is what Quizlet is. It's a good study guide. The kids have it on their iPads. So hopefully we can get to practicing with this one. Thank you. We'll see you next time.